A princess.
Okay. Hold on, what's your teddy bear's name?
Hi, Alan.
Lay down. No, what's your teddy bear's name?
Hi, Alan.
Your teddy bear in your hand.
No.
Hold on, this guy. What's his name?
Johnny.
Johnny. Very good.
Uncle Buck.
Uncle Bob. What about him?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, he's not here.
Uncle John.
You want to see Uncle John?
Yeah.
All right. I'll let him know.
No, that's Uncle John.
Okay. We'll see Uncle John.
Hi. Please. Please.
Please what? Please what? Hey, Bud. Please what?
Up, down,
Up, down?
down.
Okay. Hold on 1 minute.
Please, please, please.